Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Jure Estrada. We're now looking at the Estrada project here in Signal Corps Village. You can notice there's not much changes outside because the plastering of the walls are already completed. The highlight of this video is basically the roof that we have here. Actually, for the roof, it's already completed. Basically, itong dome na lang yung kulang, which is tegula yung lalagay natin. For the wall, kompleto na yan, already flat. And may mga gutter na rin yan, kompleto na. Ayan, so tinatapos na natin yung dito sa likod. Later we will go up for you to see the entire roof of this project. So if we're going to look at the front, you will not notice the roof at the back. So the side, kompleto na rin po yan, flat na, pintura na lang kulang, layer. Come on, let's go. So, ang dead na rin na yung mga go up.